Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to easily mirror a video in CapCut. It's very simple guys, so first thing you need to import your clip, so click on this media and then choose your clip. So I have already imported these two clips, so I will choose this one and drag and drop it on my timeline. And now in order to mirror it or flip it, someone might say, it's really easy, just select this clip and go over to this tab where you have all these settings and find the one that says, as you can see right here, mirror. So click on that, and as you can see, your video is mirrored just by clicking on this one button. This is how really easy it is to mirror your video in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.